The 4-step method to high-performance trading and the 7-step daily routine for high-performance traders are both free downloads. The 4-step method for high-performance trading is about developing the mindset and the routines to increase your competence and your ability to execute your trading edge in a live trading environment. Constant progress. 7-step daily routine for high-performance traders is an audio program download designed to help traders bulletproof their day-to-day habits, discipline, and develop a winning mindset. Again, the link is in the description box below. They're free downloads. Let's get started. Stacy Burke from Stacy Burke Trading. Today we're going to be reviewing some simple concepts, but most importantly, I want to focus on the concept of training your brain to make money. I repeat the phrase continuously: you make money, lots of money, on the days that it's easy to make a lot of money on. And that focuses on easy money-making trading setups. Setups that repeat on any instrument and frequently, as opposed to trying to figure out a market and which direction it might go, or counting little bars and trying to figure out where to get in and how to hold on to something that's auctioning back and forth and scalping in and out. But most importantly, focusing on setups that are ACB. They're not coming back. They ain't coming back in that session or on that day, and potentially are scalable in size for that very reason. Trading setups that repeat frequently on any instrument that are scalable in size. Setups like this, where you have an edge for specific repeatable reasons. Timings, levels, behavior of price. Contrasting that with a chart looking like this, which would be difficult to make a lot of money on and even hold on to the trade, regardless if you get the direction right or you read the little pushes and the little bars and zigzags and all those things, as opposed to, which would be stressful, require a lot of thinking, and be very difficult to manage and hold on to, and probably a very small risk-reward opportunity. Going back to the first chart, a setup that requires zero thinking, zero emotion, zero stress, and for the most part, zero management, because it's going to continue into the close. Setups based on repeating criteria on any instrument where you have trading setups driven by higher time frame traders. They can be in either the short direction or the long direction in any session. They can happen in Asia, they can happen in London, and they can happen in New York. Comparing that to a day where you're edge or you have low probability to trade and make a lot of money. So understanding, yes, you can figure it out and try to scalp the low or scalp the high and hold on to all the pushes and zigzags and count little levels and everything else. I like to look for specific type of triggers or signals that can point me in a direction of an instrument that is potentially now setting up for a parabolic opportunity where I have a 99-to-1 edge after major red news has been released or no major red news on the calendar for either a 3-day setup or a 3-session setup, which will culminate typically in a market that is coiled and about to explode. We have our signal days, breakout traders in the market. We have first red days, first green day signals, and the inside day. Sometimes we can have a market that's already left the station, and it may offer us the low-hanging fruit trend continuation trade or a first bounce opportunity in line with a higher time frame after a major red news catalyst. There are days and setups where it's easy to make a lot of money on that rinse and repeat and are scalable in size because they're driven by higher time frame traders in either direction, long direction or short direction on any instrument. Currencies, commodities, indexes, metals, agricultures, it doesn't matter what market it is. It can be crypto. We have the same repeatable, scalable opportunities based on criteria that repeats in any market. Markets that are going to explode and go parabolic. Contrasting that with a market that may move in a direction and you can count pushes and catch a move, but where's the scalable opportunity? The one that is driven by higher time frames and is going to explode for a range expansion opportunity. Trading in market conditions that are volatile and potentially going nowhere in a range-bound market are difficult, stressful, require lots of thinking, and usually have very little edge. When a market is coiled into the timing window and preparing for an explosive move, that's an opportunity for traders where they have significant edge to scale into, to capture and make as much money as possible on a winning opportunity. Avoiding markets that are very choppy or sideways. We can have a major news catalyst that often will trap traders or keep them in a range-bound market where they have zero edge and for the most part can go on tilt in conditions like this from impulsive, irrational, and emotional behavior. And regardless if you get a direction right or you catch a move, are these the types of market conditions that you want to participate in, that you want to trade in? Or do you want to trade in markets where you have a 99-to-1 edge? Not rocket science, not figuring out pushes, not levels, structures, or anything else. Signals. And then well-engineered charts on the day in the timing window. Signal days. And then a well-engineered template on the day in the timing window in the session that you're trading. So you may be trading Asia, or you may be trading London, and the market's moved in Asia, but you may have another instrument that's been on your watch list, or you may be trading New York, and it's a 3-session setup on day 3 to lock in and close out the session or the week. Setups repeat. The same setups, the same templates repeat on any instrument. It's not about trying to read the tape or read the market or figure out structure. Setups repeat. Whether it's a currency, it can be an index, it can be an energy, it can be on a metal after a major red news release, it can be on crypto. Same setups, different instruments showing up repeatedly over and over and over again. Hindsight pays when you understand how to hunt out the setups where it's easy to make a lot of money on. The days and the setups where it's easy to make a lot of money on. Train your brain to hunt these setups, not to take 50-50 trades where you have zero edge and zero opportunity for scalability to hold on to that with zero stress, zero emotion, zero thinking, and virtually zero management. Trades that aren't coming back. Once they take off and they've left the station, there's nothing to do but either lock in profits, move your stop to break even, and walk away. Trading setups on the days where it's easy to make a lot of money on. Days where, yes, you can catch a move and get the direction right or grab a move, but is that the type of trading that you want to do? Even though we can catch the low or catch the high or get the blow off, is that scalable? Is that the type of trading that you want to subject yourself to? Stressful. Holding on to something, auctioning back and forth. How much size could you put on that and hold on to? Maybe for an opportunity for a blow off, but is that really the type of edge that you're hunting? Avoiding conditions and days that are choppy and sideways in a trading range, but also recognizing signal days that can alert you to a potential opportunity setting up into your timing window that's scalable in size and is not coming back, and either locking in the money and walking away or managing that trade once it projects through a range expansion level opportunity. ACB trade setups. Zero stress, zero thinking, zero emotion, and virtually zero management. You could have a news catalyst opportunity. It may just be for the session. But what setups are you hunting? Train your brain to make money on the setups and the days that it's easy to make money on. Leave the science projects for the smart people. Stick to easy money-making trading setups that rinse and repeat any instrument, any session in the timing window based on signal days, based on the day count, and based on simple rinse and repeat process of identifying signals that can alert you to a watch list each day in the session that you're trading to target setups where it's easy to make a lot of money on. Don't get fixated on trading one market. Get fixated on trading easy money-making trading setups. Rinse and repeat. Scale them up in size. Train your brain how to make easy money. Keep it simple, rinse and repeat, and scale it up in size. Have a great day, traders.